Occult means the hidden, invisible, supernatural powers or things of which the devil is in control. All the mentioned activities in this lecture are in fact sin and idolatry, through which evil can find an inroad into a person's life and get a hold on that life. This list is just a list of the more common deceptive traps of occultic involvement. It's not complete, but it should help to bring to light certain things that have been done in your life in darkness. We'll just quickly go through these things so that you can understand that the little foxes have been very busy in your vineyard. And that is why the devil has so many open doors in your life.